and Sport 390 new release on Google Play. This is WatchFace Hybrid Analog and Digital More Information Display. And Sport 390 includes 3 shortcuts presets, 5 complication custom for you to be highly customizable. Five custom complications let you customize a lot of information, such as weather, humidity, sunrise or sunset, or set shortcuts for quick access to custom applications. I think you will like this WatchFace. It gives you all the information you need for your work and entertainment day. If you like it, what are you waiting for? Download it now and experience the new style right on your smartwatch. Please read carefully the installation instructions in this WatchFace. Description and install. You will fix unexpected problems and downloading from Google Play. Do not forget the attractive promotion, buy one get one. Please read the description of this WatchFace for details. Please take a moment to vote 5 and leave your reviews and suggestions. It will be of great help to me to improve my designs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive promotions and new watch faces in time.